What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I have for you a convenience good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Ray-Ban Justin rectangular sunglasses I picked up on Amazon for $153. I figured today we would do an unboxing and a first impressions and maybe read a couple of the questions off of Amazon about these sunglasses to give you guys a better idea of what they're like, how they fit, how they feel. I'll also do a test where I try them on and you guys can see what they look like on me. I've got a squared off face, brown hair, brown eyes as you can see, so you'll get to see what these sunglasses look like on me. These are non-polarized. They are really a stylish pair of plastic sunglasses. You get the Ray-Ban name, of course, and of course that Ray-Ban build quality. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the box. Let's talk about that price though first. $153. This is what you get when you order a pair of Ray-Bans off of Amazon, is you get just a standard cardboard box here. But we'll just go ahead and take them out of their box and lay them on the counter for you guys. So as you can see, they look like any regular pair of Ray-Ban sunglasses. You get this really premium leather case. Also, another way of telling that they're authentic is by looking at the Ray-Ban logo on this little button here. That for sure will let you know that they are authentic. As you can see, they are not polarized. They're usually, when you buy Ray-Bans that are polarized, you get something that says Ray-Ban P. These do not say Ray-Ban P, meaning they are not polarized. That is something that you should definitely consider when buying these sunglasses. You get made in Italy on the inside of the sunglasses there, letting you know that they are authentic Ray-Ban sunglasses. Like I said, these are the Justin rectangular sunglasses. If you're wondering why they look a little bit familiar, it's because they actually are a variation of the Wayfair sunglasses. They're very comfortable. The plastic is soft. It sort of has a brushed feeling to it, so they slide, so they fit on your nose comfortably. Let's go ahead and read some of the questions that some other customers have about these Justin squared off sunglasses. Question 1, can I have them made with prescription mirror blue non-polarized lenses? The answer to that is yes, you can. What size are these? So you've got lens 54 millimeters, bridge 16 millimeters, temple 145 millimeters. So when they say temple 145 millimeters, they're talking temple to temple. So temple to temple, it's about 145 millimeters. So this is actually a pretty good question if you're interested in getting a different colorway. They do come in different colorways. What color are the lenses on the tortoise frames? They look blue in the picture. The answer to that is they are gray. So the lenses that come with the tortoise colored sunglasses are gray. Are these mirrored lens or the gradient? These are mirrored lenses. And last but not least, are these sunglasses for men or for women? And the answer to that is unisex. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed that unboxing and first impressions. Very comfortable, very well built Ray-Ban Justin squared off sunglasses I picked up on Amazon for $153. You can too for $153. I highly recommend these beautiful pair of sunglasses. They fit well, they look great, they feel great. My name is John. Thank you so much for tuning in. Also, I just wanted to let you know I do have a second channel now. It's called ISN Now. I'm going to be doing more in-depth videos on the products that I review. So if you want to check out that channel to see more in-depth reviews on like earbuds, these sunglasses, shoes, basically everything that I review on ISN on the main channel, I'm going to go in-depth on the second channel, and that channel is called ISN Now. So if you're interested in seeing any videos that I have posted there, I have one video posted there. I have 0 subscribers and 0 views, so please go ahead and give that channel a check it out. Go ahead and give that channel a thumbs up and check it out and subscribe to it to get additional content second to the unboxing and first impressions and reviews that I do on this main channel. Anyways, guys, my name is John. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you in the next video.